Hey, this is JR, the expat in Saigon. Today I want to talk about these little microphones again. Boya, the HM100. This is our second one. We bought another one. And I want to tell you why and give you a demonstration of how this little mic works in the environment we have here in Vietnam, which is really noisy. Ray and I are out today to demonstrate the sound and recording ability of the little Boya microphone, the HM100, and the Tascam recorder. So this is on our little street right in front of our house. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now we'll put Ray on and let her show you what it sounds like with her voice. Ray.
Hi, this is Raya, the expert in Saigon. I'm testing Boya 100.
HM100.
Hi, this is Raya, the expert in Saigon, testing the Boya 100. Did I say right? M100, right?
HM100.
I didn't say HM.
Okay, say it again.
This is Raya, the expert in Saigon, testing the HM Boya 100.
Boya HM100. Again.
Hi, this is Raya, the expert in Saigon, testing the Okay. Okay. Hi, this is Raya, the expert in Saigon, testing Boya M1.
Whoa.
Again. Faster.
Okay.
Hi, this is Raya, the expert in Saigon, testing Boya HM100. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
In a minute, we'll go out to one of the streets that's a little bit more noisy and see what we've got.
This is the second test using Boya HM100 in the noisier street. Noisier? This is the second test using Boya HM100 in the noisier street.
Okay.
Noisier?
Now that was Raya talking. You'll see how her voice sounds in this area. This is this little street here is a main street. It's not a real busy street, but it's still pretty noisy, as you can see. We're out at rush hour today, so this is about as heavy as it gets here. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Mic test 1, 2, 3. This is the HM100. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Mic test 1, 2, 3. This is the HM100. Yeah, now we're on Winsun Street. This is the busiest street in our area. It's the main one. There's a lot of businesses on here and a lot of traffic. This is a 4-lane divided road, and it's always busy. Lately, I've been shooting on this road and there's no traffic at all, and now it's getting back to normal. So here we go, mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. This is a Boya HM100 on a busy street. So here we go, mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. This is the Boya HM100 on a busy street.
record test using Boya HM100 in a busier street. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, the main reason for this experiment was to see how the noise rejection was of this microphone and hear how it sounds here in Vietnam. This environment here is a pretty challenging environment for audio. It's always noisy with the motorbikes and the people and the kids. So we'll see how this little HM100 performs. I can't wait to get back and put it on the editor. This is JR, the expat in Saigon, saying thank y'all for watching.